Environment and Market TM. Content 1. Generating business ideas. 1.1 Key concepts in generating business ideas. 1.2 Knowledge, skills, passions, and interests. 1.3 New applications. 1.4 Irritants. 1.5 Striking ideas and new concepts. 1.6 Serendipity walk. Content standard. The learners demonstrate an understanding of the concepts of environment and market and how they relate to the field of electronic products assembly and servicing, particularly in one's town/municipality. Performance standard. The learner shall be able to create a business vicinity map reflective of the potential electronic products assembly and servicing market in the locality, town. Learning competencies. Learning outcome 3. Create new business ideas in electronic products assembly and servicing by using various techniques. 3.1 Explore ways of generating business ideas from one's own characteristics, attributes. 3.2 Generate business ideas using product innovation from irritants, trends, and emerging needs. 3.3 Generate business ideas using serendipity. 3.4 Walk. Code. TLE_E.M. 7-12-003